Guys, this was an interesting part of the journey wherein we crossed the Neelum River using a hand-pulled cable car dangling on a single metallic wire. It was a very refreshing experience, made so much daring due to the fact that I cannot swim. I was thoroughly discouraged by my family at first, as they did not want me and my son to end up falling into the river and getting washed away to some unknown lands. But finally, when they saw us having a lot of fun, they so much eagerly awaited their turn to take the leap of faith. Down the video, they'll be joining us on this ride, so sit back and enjoy. The views were so breathtaking, and it really refreshed our souls. But let me remind you that this cable car is solely at the mercy of the person who is pulling it at one end and the other person who pulls it back from the other end.